In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to clear cache on CapCut. This is essential for maintaining optimal app performance and freeing up storage space on your device. Over time, cache data like temporary files and previews can accumulate, causing the app to slow down or crash. To do this, simply head to your CapCut app. You want to tap onto your profile icon on your bottom right. Tap right here on this settings icon. Inside the section of Feedback and About, select Clear Cache. Tap on Confirm to clear your application cache. Regularly clearing the cache helps resolve glitches, ensures smoother editing, and prevents your device from becoming cluttered with unnecessary files. Well, that's how easy it is to clear CapCut cache. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.